The pandemic has made it hard to travel or study in recent times, making it difficult for people to learn about the many opportunities for people who can speak Arabic. With the Arabic Language Academy's program, we put all those worries aside by helping you study and work anywhere in the world through our online program. Learn through structured videos with clear explanations to the various complexities of the language. With native teachers as your hosts, you will have the opportunity to learn with the best of the best. Some of our students have come forth and had this to say.
The Arabic language course was clear with its explanations. I love how each video targets specific topics and rules.
I have learned so much from the course, but I still have a lot more to learn. I think it's perfect for beginners who don't have time to go to class in person.
The course is available now and sets you up with the basics to start your Arabic language journey.